Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. There are a lot of videos here and you can learn a lot regarding technical analysis here. So today's video is about how to trade in a live market, how to find when to enter the market and when to exit the market, how to do scalping in live market. For this I am using a feature of tradingview which shows candle by candle formation. So I'm using a 5-minute chart. Before going through this, let us revise some points which I will be covering during this video. First is the retracement will come if the price is too low, far from the moving averages. So if price is far from the moving averages, there will be a retracement. Second point is when price is above 8 moving average, it means strong trend. So if price is above the 8 moving average, then it means strong trend. While trading, we should have knowledge of all the time frames. So if you're trading on for intraday, we're using 5-minute charts, but we should have the knowledge of all the time interval like 15 minutes, 1 hour, half hour. And fourth is white pivot means it can be a range bound day. What is exactly a range boundary? That today there was a white pivot in nifty, but see, there was minus at the end of the day. Nifty was down 159 points. So how can it be a range bound? Range bound means that it if you see the start of the day at the end of the day, it's like a doji formation, because nifty opened gap down and it finished also there only. So there was a upswing and then was a downswing, but at the end it was just a range bound. It was not trending in one direction, it was like a range bound. So with this information, let us proceed and let us analyze how to find positions in a live market. So let me draw the first candle first. So see, this candle was formed way gap down than the yesterday's closing. Now let us first the price opened here and then went down and again went back up. So now we are in a position, now it has opened gap down. So should we trade, should we short it here, should we buy it here, what should we do? So if we move to the hourly chart, see, if you see the hourly chart, this is a candle and you can see that it is a rising, and this yellow line is a 20 moving average and it is rising. So I have already said in my other moving average video, if you haven't seen that video, I have put that in the description link. If it's a rising 20 moving average, then it is a sign of uptrend, and you see how it is taking support on this 20 moving average and it is bouncing from here. So see, same, that's why there was a bullish candle as it opened gap down, but it took support on the 20 moving average of the hourly time frame and it was gap up. I mean it was a bullish candle because there was a support. And see, if you were long yesterday, you should not be carrying forward a trade because there was a reversal pattern here. At the end of the day, see, there was a reversal pattern. So this is a reversal pattern. So that's what, if you are yesterday you took you bought a future of nifty, see, there was a reversal and should not take buy position here because it is a reversal pattern and it was a bearish sign. So that's why it opened gap down. See, candlesticks always predict what is going to happen and you have to take these signs. Now let us focus back on this. So first candle was gap down, but it ended in a bullish candle. Still we are not sure how to should not trade this because I have already stated so many times that you should not trade before 3-4 candles, and you should first understand what is the price action that is going on. So let us forward for the next candle. Next candle also we are not getting any clear picture. See, one more point, see these 3 candles, see, this is also a reversal sign, but is it really a reversal? Because see, this is a reversal for uptrend, but is the price now in uptrend? Because price was here and price is now here, so it is already in a downtrend, and now this doesn't make any sense. So it is not the end of uptrend because it is already in downtrend. So in books we always know that in candlestick pattern this is a downtrend. but this doesn't make sense here because it is already in a downtrend. So this does not signifies anything right now. So let also one important thing is that since price is away, like in the first point I have said that retracement will come if price is too far from the moving average. See how far the price is from the moving average. These are the moving averages. This blue line, which is the 50 moving average, this yellow line is the 20 moving average for 5 minutes, and this black line is the 8 moving average. See how far is the price from this. So it will try to retrace to touch these levels first, and then we will take the trade accordingly. So like my first point, retracement will come if price is too far from the moving averages. So let us forward again. Also we know this can be a this is the low of the day, right? So if price goes below this, then we can short this, because if price is breaking the low of the day, then we can enter into short trade. But we should not trade in upside now because moving average. So since price is away from this moving average, we will see that this price will retrace to this moving average and face rejection. So let us see. So this touches the 8 moving average, and now it may face rejection. We will take a trade, like I said, we will take a scalping trade once price touches this 20 moving with this yellow line, and we will short this. Because why? Because this is a falling moving average. Falling 20 moving average signifies downtrend, and we will do a scalping. I will tell you the position. And see, since it was in falling mode, how it retraced back. And see, this price is 9189, and see within 5 minutes 20 points fall was there. So this if you want to do scalping, this is how you can do it. If there is a falling 20 moving average, you can enter into a scalping short position, and immediately within 5-10 minutes you can book the profit. If you have bought around 2-3 lots of this, so you can easily achieve 20 into 2-3 lots, you can easily achieve 4,000-5,000 rupees here within 5 minutes. Now let us forward again. Since again the range of the day is not broken, this is the upper end, this is the lower end. So if you want to take a trade longer than a scalping, it's not on right now, because it has to move out of this range. It's a range bound market right now. Let me forward again. See now one important thing is there. See, there was a falling 20 moving average, downward moving 20 moving average. Now see, it is flattening, so it means it there was a downtrend initially. Now it is kind of a ranging market. So you will see price going above this and also below this. When the moving average is downward, there is a downtrend, and when you see flattening of 20 moving average, it is a range bound. And see, now price will go above and below this 20 moving average. See this, above and below, since it's a range bound. Now there will be a breakout either on below direction or upward direction, and we have to trade accordingly. So this is the breakout. This was the high of the day, and see breakout, and see it has crossed all the moving average 20, 50, and you can immediately enter into the long position and target. See how much will be the target. See, if you calculate, the low was a 9149, and this up to this was 9219. So you can easily expect up to 60-70 points from this point. Let me forward it quickly. And we see, I know that target it should be 60-70 points, but it doesn't mean that you have to wait for 60-70. We, as long we are not getting a reversal, we will be in that trade, and once we see a reversal, we will be exiting from this trade. Let me forward. No reversal. Again no reversal. This is not a reversal. Forward. This is a bullish candle again, no reversal. Doji, no reversal. Again no reversal. See this. See, in this is actually not a reversal, but this is a sign of a weak trend, because see, this red candle took all of this bullish candle, more than this. So this is an early sign that trend is weakening now, and we may see in the next candle. See, right, like I said, my second point, when price is above 8 moving average, it means strong trend. You see, in this, above this black line, the price was moving above this black line, and once it starts coming below first time, it means the trend is no longer strong, and we may experience. But see, first, there is no retracement to the 20 moving average yet, so that will be again a buying position when price touches this 20 moving average, because these are the point of first retracement, and first retracement is always bought. Let me forward quickly. So this point was the point where we should have entered into a long position, because it was the first retracement to the 20 line, and since this 20 line was in uptrend, like it's in upward sloping, so we have to buy this position. And see, within 5 minutes, if you bought at this position 33 to 80, more than 40-50 points, 2 lots, easily 6,000 rupees. Let me forward again. See this is a sign of reversal. We have a bullish candle with a wick, then a doji, and then this bearish candle. So this is a reversal sign, and see, this is the time when we go into a short. If you have not taken any trade here, this is the point to go short. And let me forward this. See this, if you have taken a short here, how easily you would have made money, and the stop loss should be the top of this. Let me forward again. And since we are in this trade, we will not exit. We will exit if we see a reversal. If we don't see any reversal, we will not exit from this trade. No reversal. See, one important point again in this is that, see, if you see price coming down, and this is a Bollinger Band I am using, see how price has again moved away from the moving average. So this point, retracement will come if price is too far from the moving averages. See, if price is away from the moving average, we will see a little retracement to the moving average. Let us see if that is going on here. See this, now it was falling, and see now it is consolidating, and it is kind of a retracement to the moving average. It has now touched the 8 moving average. Now also see how in a strong trend price is either above, or now in here it was above the 8 moving average. Now here price is below a 8 moving average. So again it's a strong downtrend. See, price has moved above the 8 moving average, so trend has maybe in the downtrend has maybe a weakened a little bit, but still it's not the end of downtrend. And once it goes above this 20 moving average, then we can say the price and the downtrend has ended. And until now also we have not seen any reversal. See, there was no reversal, and again price started falling. No reversal till now, no reversal. Certain tricks Two other tricks were that while trading we should have knowledge of all the time frames. See, all the time frames, what I meant was that initially when price was opened with a gap down, and we were aware that on an early time frame the price is still above the 20 moving average. This was the first retracement to the 20 moving average, and like I said, the first retracement is always bought. So that's why the price was not falling, and if we knew about this, then we could have not shorted there and could have waited for this up move here. And the last point was wide pivot, means it can be range bound there. See how a wide pivot, easily we can say that today can be a range. It is not always possible, but it can be a range bound. See, the range was this and then back to this. In the end it finished here and it started here. So see how there was an upswing and then there was back to the downswing here. So it was a wide pivot and it was a range bound trade. So I hope you have learned a lot in this. See, I didn't follow any RSI in this, and because RSI, all these things work on the moving averages. If you master these moving averages and these pivots, then you will be able to learn everything. And all these indicators, they just are based on these moving averages only. So see, in a downtrend, how moving average is downward, in uptrend moving average is upward, then again moving averages started falling when there is a downtrend. So all these points, if you are able to practice again and you will be able to make money in stock market. And I hope you like this video. You can put your comments in the comment section that if you want to learn anything else. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you.